Hello and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Afra. I'm a clinical and counseling psychologist and the founder of Teen Therapy Wellness. We are back with another series, another episode. We are starting Opening Mind series, part two. The first one consisted of different awareness programs, different workshops, but in this season, we are coming back with the different mind of set. We will be talking about some lived experiences. We have amazing speakers this time who would be sharing a lot of insights with all of you regarding their own experience. And today we have someone very special with us. Uh, what does it take to rise, to break barriers, and to chase greatness, no matter what? Today, I would like all of you to meet Dr. Indumati. She's a visionary academician, a passionate life skill trainer, an award winning researcher, and inspiring entrepreneur. With over 17 years of experience in prestigious institutions and hospitals, Dr. Indumati has developed deep into the mysteries of stem cell research, cancer, aging, and reproductive biology. She has authored 4 international books, published more than 42 research papers, and has contributed to 8 influential book chapters. She's a receptionist of the Young Scientist Award and the Great Indian Life Skills Trainer Award. She didn't stop at academic success. She has followed her true calling to empower and to transform lives. Today, she will be talking about no matter what, the limitless mindset of champions. This is one of her
Whoa.
powerful books where she shared tools, truths, and transformational insights drawn from real life champions, showing that greatness is not about talent alone. It's about mindset, it's about grit, and an unwavering belief. Thank you so much, Dr. Indumati, for joining us today. It's a pleasure to have you with us. How are you doing? Your mic is muted, so we can't hear you.
Yeah, am I audible?
It's still muted.
No, I'm speaking from the other phone. It's easy for me to press in. Dr. Indumati. Yeah,
All right, great. We can hear you.
thank you. So it's easy for me to, the audibility is good there. So I'll present it from my system. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Afra ji doing a great. And it's a great pleasure to meet you all from India. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You can present your screen now and over to you.
Yes, yes. So officially, very good afternoon to all of you. And before I start, I would like to thank Afra and the entire team of Team Therapy Wellness because this is, I just found when I discussed with her, I just found the like mindedness in me, the way I think, the way I feel for the people. That's how it resonated me. So उसके लिए ना for her thoughts like उनको बहुत धन्यवाद है. And for the entire team of Teen Therapy Wellness, my heartiest congratulations and thank you so much for this big initiative. Most welcome to all of you. आज हम थोड़ा बहुत ही जरा अलग सा कुछ मिलेंगे हमको. But I just have all of you to take a note before we start the meeting. ये ऐसा teaching नहीं है or this is not going to be just, a sort of lecture. This is not a presentation, or this is not something a boring thing where a teacher talks to a student, right? So this completely is going to be different, and it's going to be very different in a perspective that it is interact. So I want all of you to keep your ears wide open. हम बहुत सारे चीजों डिस्कस करने वाले next 1 hour, and it's going to be very interesting. और आपको कभी भी questions है, you always can raise your hands or stop me, unmute yourself, or you can always type it in the chat box. So this way I'll be able to stop wherever I am and answer all your questions. So thank you so much once again to all of you and a very warm welcome. The limitless mindset of champion. जब ये बात like when I framed this title, तभी I was feeling very energetic, very powerful. Because बहुत सारे लोग may just think, let me ask you a question. हमारे जिंदगी में बहुत सारे चीजों है ना कि कोई भी चीज हो, या इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू एस्पायर समथिंग, कुछ हमको कहना चाहते हैं, कुछ हमको करना चाहते हैं, यू नो देयर इज ऑलवेज अ स्टॉप, देयर इज ऑलवेज व्हाट इफ, लाइक मैं ठीक कर रही हूँ क्या, इज देयर एनी इश्यू, विल आई बी एबल टू डू इट, विल आई बी एबल टू स्पीक दिस, विल आई बी एबल टू अचीव इट, ऐसा हमारा बहुत सारे चीजों में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं ना. एंड व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज दैट व्हिच इज स्टॉपिंग अस? You can answer, unmute yourself and talk. What do you think is something that's stopping us?
कुछ कुछ ऐसा जो करने का मन नहीं करता, कोई चीज
हाँ,
ऐसा.
ओके. सो कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता. यस. देन फियर. ओके. करने का मन नहीं करता. वेरी ट्रू. फियर आते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. देन व्हाट एल्स?
Doubt.
डाउट कि हम कर पाते क्या, व्हाट इफ दिस हैपेंस. कुछ तो डाउट है मन में कि विल वी बी एबल टू अचीव. सेल्फ डाउट. एनवायरनमेंट. यस. हमको यदि करना चाहते हैं हम, तभी भी ना ये लोग है ना, दे आर लाइक टू वे. सो ये कहते हैं, अरे तुम, इट्स नॉट योर कप ऑफ टी, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट, है ना. लैक ऑफ सेल्फ बिलीफ. वेरी ट्रू. लैक ऑफ सपोर्ट. हम करना चाहते हैं बट वी नीड सम सपोर्ट, वी नीड somebody to motivate us, we need some source. Yes, very true. Low self esteem. Very true. और कुछ. Very, thank you so much for your kind participation. I need this spirit throughout. Procrastination. Very true. Can we say procrastination? हम क्या करते हैं ना, अरे यार आज तो मुझे बहुत बोर है, मैं कल करती हूँ, चलो बाद में करते. तो ये बाद में जब हम करते थे ना, दिस एंटायर थिंग, यदि हमको कल आते ना, विल सी कि अरे यार इतना काम बढ़ गया क्या, और फिर हम बोलेंगे कि कुछ करने को मन ही नहीं है, चलो कल. सो द वन वर्क व्हिच वी आर प्रोक्रास्टिनेटिंग लीड्स टू मेनी वर्क्स. और ओवरथिंकिंग. यस. जजमेंट. यस, ओवरथिंकिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. जजमेंटलिज्म आते हैं, इसलिए हम कर नहीं पाते. एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज आर देयर, नो. तो दिस इज व्हाट ऑल दीज आर. अब हम जो भी अभी डिस्कस किए, ये सब क्या है? ऑल दीज आर आर माइंडसेट. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू बिलीव ये सब चीजों है ना, किसी और दूसरों हमको नहीं कह रहे. लैक ऑफ डायरेक्शन. करेक्ट. लो कॉन्फिडेंस. वेरी ट्रू. लैक ऑफ डायरेक्शन, लो कॉन्फिडेंस, लैक ऑफ प्लानिंग. यू नो प्लानिंग इज वेरी क्रिटिकल इन लाइफ. यदि हम प्लान नहीं कर पाते तो हमको वो हासिल करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाते. इट इज इजी बट इट टेक्स सो मच टाइम. बट विद प्लानिंग इट टेक्स वेरी लेस टाइम. लैक ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम जिम को जा रहे हैं, वर्कआउट करना चाहते हैं, आज किया, कल किया, फिर 2 दिन के बाद अरे हम 2 दिन कंटिन्यूसली किया, आज छुट्टी ले लो, फिर कर. तो क्या होता है, कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है. इवन इफ यू डू दैट वर्क फॉर 10-15 minutes एंड इफ यू कीप डूइंग इट फॉर द एंटायर ईयर, ये अलग बात होता है ना. लैक ऑफ मेजरमेंट ऑफ प्रोग्रेस. हम दौड़ते रहते फॉर लैक ऑफ मेजरमेंट. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर अ स्टोरी. क्या हुआ कि एक दो लोग हैं, दे आर जस्ट कटिंग द ट्रीज, फॉरेस्ट में काम करते थे. और एक तरफ एक इंसान है जो 1 घंटे में 10 ट्री काट, और उसके वो 1 hour में ही वाज जस्ट रेस्टिंग हिमसेल्फ. 10 मिनट काम करते थे, 5 मिनट रेस्ट करते, फिर 10 मिनट काम करते, 5 मिनट रेस्ट करते. बट ही वॉज एबल टू कट 10 trees इन जस्ट 1 hour. और दूसरी इंसान भी उधर ही काम कर रही है, 1 घंटा पूरा बिना रेस्ट ही वॉज कटिंग ऑल द ट्रीज. फिर उसको शॉक हो गया कि उसने सिर्फ 4 ट्री कट कर पाए. तो उसको बहुत शॉकिंग था. एंड दैट पर्सन बी केम एंड आस्क्ड पर्सन ए कि यदि तुम्हें कैसे किया ये, मैं तो इधर कंटिन्यूअसली 1 घंटे काम करती हूँ. एंड ऑल ही स्माइल्ड एंड ही सेड, जो ट्री काटने के लिए वो एक्स होता है ना, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड इन हिंदी, ट्री काटने के लिए वो एक्स होता है ना. ही सेड, आई यूज्ड टू शार्पन माय एक्स रेगुलरली. यू नो, ट्री वो कट करते ना, ही यूज्ड टू शार्पन हिज एक्स रेगुलरली. और ये जो दूसरी इंसान है, ये तो काम करते रहा. दैट इज व्हाट वी डू मेनी टाइम्स इन लाइफ. हम बहुत दौड़ते दौड़ते काम करते बिना रेस्ट. एंड ऑफ द डे प्रोडक्टिविटी नहीं आती. सो ये सारे चीजों हम कर पाते या नहीं कर पाते, व्हाट इज स्टॉपिंग अस इज आवर माइंडसेट. आई टोटली फील दैट नथिंग स्टॉप्स यू. हमें जो भी काम, अभी कारण आपने बोला ना, आर लेथार्जिकनेस, सपोर्टिव एम्बियंस नहीं है, सपोर्ट नहीं है, ये सब सही है. लेकिन इसके ऊपर एक महत्वपूर्ण कारण है, दैट इज माइंडसेट. इफ वी हैव दैट लिमिटलेस माइंडसेट कि चाहे कुछ भी हो मैं खरी करूंगी, चाहे कुछ भी हो मुझे ये पाना ही है, चाहे कुछ भी हो मैं ये करना ही है. When that mindset comes in our mind, then nobody can stop you. You become invincible, you become unstoppable. So this is what I learned from my experience. I will share my story. I will share who am I, where I'm landing. और मेरे experience से मैं आपको ये कहती हूँ, this is not a lecture, and you can resonate very well with my experience. That is why I said कि it's not that people do not have any sufferings. सफरिंग्स है, challenges है, बहुत सारे ऑब्स्टिकल्स आते रहते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजों है. लेकिन एक चीज जब हमारे मन में कुछ भी हो, मुझे ये चाहिए, when that no matter what, that perspective of mindset comes in, then nobody can stop us. That's why this particular title. So, discover how the world's greatest champions transformed impossible dreams to reality. बहुत सारे स्टोरीज हम देखेंगे, बहुत सारे चैंपियंस के बारे में बोलेंगे. Everybody have the same 24 hours. लेकिन उनको कैसे कर पाए? How did they achieve is all very simple. Because whatever we said which is not possible, they made it possible. They never procrastinated. They were consistent. They were having a positive mindset. They were having a growth mindset. They had, good. They were utilizing the opportunity. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है, हमारे सामने opportunities है, फिर भी we will not be able to achieve it. So ऐसा भी होता है कि opportunity हमारे सामने है, लेकिन हम कर नहीं पाए. Right? How many of you believe that? Raise your hands. First is lack of opportunity. Second, even if we have that opportunity, हम उसको properly utilize नहीं कर रहे. बरोबर है ना? उसके लिए भी मैं एक स्टोरी कहना चाहती हूँ before we proceed further. एक इंसान था and he always super believe in God. He always says, Almighty is everything. God will take care of me and all that. And there was a storm, big storm, and the entire village was flooding. Everybody ran for their life. And then, he was just standing beside one tree. एक पेड़ के नीचे वो खड़ा था. And all the village people were like, अरे तुम आते नहीं क्या? चलो हमारे साथ आओ, बोट है. नहीं नहीं, God will save. Again he said, no, God will save me. Again he said, no, God will save me. और बाद में क्या हुआ कि everybody left the village and the storm came and hit him and he died. और आप वो मरने के बाद हेवन को जाते और गॉड को पूछते थे कि मैं आपको कितना माना और आपने ऐसा किया है भगवान क्यों. लेकिन when he said, oh Lord, why did you do this to me? Lord said, very simple thing. I was the one who sent your neighbors with an umbrella to save you. I was the one who sent the neighbors with a boat to save you. I was the one who sent many people to rescue you. But वो इतना मूर्ख है कि तुम सिर्फ ये किया कि ऊपर वाला देखेंगे, ऊपर वाला देखेंगे. So it means the lesson which I learned from this is opportunities at times even in front of us, we are not able to visualize it. We are not able to utilize it. है ना? So here team therapy wellness and the entire management has given us this opportunity. So let's use this and see how we can grow it. ठीक है. Mindset, all of this time I was just talking about mindset. Mindset is everything. What you think you become. So we'll always have to have a positive mindset, growth mindset. ये limitless mindset क्या होता है? पहले चीज ये है कि belief beyond boundaries. Why it is so? मान लो किसी ने आपको बोल दिया कि अरे ये चीजें ये तो तुम बिल्कुल नहीं कर पाओगे. I repeat, somebody comes and tells you ये तो आप बिल्कुल नहीं कर पाओगे. And the person is telling this 10 days repeatedly, 10 times in your ears, or 11th day, even if he is not there, you will think, हाँ ये तो मेरी बस की बात नहीं है, मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगी, या पाऊंगा, whatever. How many of you say yes to me? Repeatedly when somebody says this is not your cup of tea, 10 days he says, 10 times he repeats, and 11th day he's vanished, his words are vanished. But the same words will resonate in your mind. Yes? Agree? So why? Because he or she, the person, has put a boundary within your mindset, stating that this is not your cup of tea. You will not be able to achieve it. So first thing is, वो जो mask है ना हमारे सामने, उसको हटा दो. Just move it. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, किसी भी इंसान नहीं है दुनिया में कि ये कर नहीं पाओगे. So first, do not limit yourself. Don't limit your potential. Push yourself beyond the boundary. यदि आप चाहते हो ना, कुछ भी possible है. That is where I said limitless mindset first means belief beyond boundaries. Second, endless opportunities. Why I say this as endless opportunities again. Team therapy wellness is giving us opportunities. We are utilizing it. Similarly, we have so many opportunities in front of us, as I said the story. और ये opportunity हमें यदि use नहीं कर पाए, then again we are at loss. So it's not that we don't have opportunities. Lack of awareness, we are not aware about the opportunities in front of us. Opportunities तो बहुत है, भर भर के दुनिया में opportunities है. What is not there is lack of awareness, lack of the awareness about the opportunities that we have. If you are aware about the opportunities and if you utilize it properly, everybody can do anything that we achieve. फिर ठीक है. So say for example, I start believing that I can do anything beyond my limits. Say for example, I get the opportunity, but I wanted to use the opportunity, but I'm not utilizing it. मैं एक्शन ही नहीं कर रही हूँ, सिर्फ मैं बैठ के बोलती हूँ कि अरे मैं कर पाऊंगी. It's my cup of tea. I can achieve it. लेकिन मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रही हूँ या कर ही नहीं रही हूँ. Do you think I will achieve? Definitely no. So the limitless mindset is not just about mindset. The limitless mindset comes with three things: belief beyond boundaries and utilize the endless opportunities. Be aware about the opportunities around you and utilize the opportunities. And somebody said very clearly, fear. लोग क्या बोलेंगे, क्या होता है, यदि मैं कर नहीं पाई तो क्या. So just forget that fear, come out from fear zone and get into the learning zone. ये जो comfort zone से बाहर आना चाहते हैं और fear zone से हम बाहर आएंगे. जब हम comfort zone से बाहर आएंगे ना और learning mindset को आएंगे, growth mindset को आएंगे और fear निकाल के बाहर आएंगे ना, then growth is endless. So without any limit, without any fear, let's get into the action. Now हमें बहुत सारे फील्ड्स में, फ्रॉम ऑल द स्पोर्ट्स टू ऑल द अदर फील्ड्स टू ऑल एवरीथिंग ए टू जी, कितने भी फील्ड्स हो, हम सबको पता है कि बहुत सारे चैंपियंस है, राइट. डू यू थिंक चैंपियंस आर जस्ट बिल्ट इन अ डे? ऐसा नहीं है ना. दे हैव बिकम चैंपियंस बिकॉज दे हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच अदर डू नॉट पोसेस. सो ये क्या होता है? वेरी सिंपल. चैंपियंस आर नोन ओनली आफ्टर देयर विक्ट्री, बट ये सक्सेस पाने के पहले उन्हें कितनी सारे डिफिकल्टीज आए, उनमें से कितने लोग कितनी तरह से प्रॉब्लम फेस किए, चैलेंजेस फेस किए, और उसको हम कैसे ब्रेक थ्रू करके नेवर गिव अप एटीट्यूड में कैसे आएंगे. बिकॉज दैट ऑर्डिनरी पीपल विल जस्ट से कि हाँ अरे ये तो नहीं आ रही है, लेट मी गिव अप. But the extraordinary people who are determined, who are perseverant will say कि never give up attitude. Right. So this is something very important for us if we wanted to achieve that attitude. And here I wanted to pause and talk about myself. I am a single parent. I was working for a university for the last many years. 2008, I passed out my master's. And then I got into my first job. So my dream was like to become a stem cell scientist or a cancer biologist. And I got into my job, everything went well. And then I had a lot of personal issues, a lot of family issues, marital issues. And then I was not able to do well in my profession. Then I did my postdoc. I went to one of the states in India. I was working on my academic and research. From 2014 to 2023, I was in a state in India where I was working completely in my academics despite odds. But then something told me, my inner calling. I said, I'm heading this master's in medical biotechnology and stem cells. I'm also handling PhD students, but I have just 20 students around me. Throughout my experience, I was able to understand. I'm a very big lover of reading books. So when I read books, I write. So I love reading, I love writing, I love speaking, and I love teaching. So throughout my journey, I understood that I'm not meant for these four walls. ये जो चार walls के बीच में मैं बैठ के I'm trying to do my work, trying to teach and then get my professorship, sit in an AC room, impart people. कुछ तो है, कुछ तो करना है, दुनिया के लिए कुछ तो करना है. But lot of obstacles I faced because through my personal issues and marital issues, I had a lot of debts to clear. So I was not in a position to leave my job. I had, at that point of time, my daughter was now 10 years old. At that point of time, I had 1.5 years old daughter. So I cannot take decision to leave her. So I have to withhold all my ambitions. So I was working in the job till 2023. But in 2020, I decided when COVID hit hard, it was that point of time I decided I have to convert myself into entrepreneurship. So I started my journey online. I started teaching technical. I started teaching life sciences. I started teaching, organizing online workshops, online webinars, online courses for the students from home. I never had any big setup. All even now, what I have is my laptop, myself, you. That's it. This is how I used to take my class. I used to have my board. I used to set my board and I used to write. This is how I set up my class. I used to write in my that whiteboard in Zoom. It all went very well. I'm a NEET faculty also. I started teaching NEET for the students. And 5 years went on, 2017 to 2022. All I had in my mind is, जितना भी problems हो, it's okay. आज मैं मेरी ड्रीम को अचीव नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. आज मैं मेरी ड्रीम को, I was not even in a position to step into the dream. Forget about achieving. I was not in a position to just step into the dream. I was withholding my dream and working for someone in an institute. At the same time, working as part time to improve my knowledge. And parallelly, I was building my entrepreneurial journey as an academician online. And then in 2023, I took a call. Nahin, bas ho gaya. Now this is high time, no matter what. That's the reason the title is no matter what, because this spark in 2023 hit me hard. And I said to myself, no matter what, I'm right now leaving to my hometown, because your hometown is always like after 10 years I'm coming back to my hometown, but this is a big city as compared to the place where I lived. Chahe kuch bhi ho, I will work for it, I will struggle, I will overcome all my challenges, I will embrace the challenges, I will be resilient, and I'll start. Because there is one point where you should feel no matter what. And just start. Well begun is half done. The problem with human is हम कोशिश ही नहीं करते. Forget about consistency. We have to just at least start. So I was one of them who were all what you said, I was the one. But then there was one point of reflection came in my mind कि no matter what, I quit my job. Within 15 days, I decided, in my family, in my parents, everybody were in shock. Like, अरे क्या कर रही हो, इतनी बड़ा जॉब छोड़ के हम चेन्नई लौट रही हो, ये होगा, आप वो होगा, बच्ची का एजुकेशन, उसका फ्यूचर, तुम बिजनेस पे जाओगे. एकदम hundreds of questions was posted against me. बिल्कुल no support, बिल्कुल no positive ambience, hundreds of questions. Imagine if I would have taken all the outside noises inside my brain. Today, I'm not saying I've achieved everything, but at least I have achieved 30% of my dream. I'm still traveling. There's a long way to go, but at least I started. And I came with all dreams in 2023 saying that, हाँ, अभी तो ये कर पाओगे मैं. But there was no family support. There is no, not much support at all. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Thank you, ma'am. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? I'll let you know in further point. So I'll tell you a big thing. After I came Chennai with so much of dreams, हुआ क्या? और एक साल मुझे क्या हुआ? मैं किस तरीका से थी और अभी क्या हो रही है in further slides. So what I underwent is a literal struggle. After I came to Chennai, I came with all dreams. But when I came within 6 months, there was some very big autoimmune disease I had. And it was a situation where doctor said, ki, like, probably there's some issues. I'll not be able to walk. I'll have this issues. I'll have that issues. There were so many health issues that's been like coming head to toe. And I had a vocal cord polyp. And then one of my ENT said, ki, you have to change your field. Because there's a big polyp in my left vocal cord. I will not be able to speak. And if at all I keep continuing in this field, probably I'll have to immediately undergo surgery. I may not get this voice. My voice will be changed and I'll have to undergo voice therapy. बहुत सारी चीजों. And I was devastated. कि यार, I came to Chennai for this thought. लेकिन क्या हो रहा है? But all I did is, trust me, universe can sometimes do miracle. If you have a vision, I am the testament for it. If you have a vision and that vision is having a noble cause, universe, आप सब लोग ना खुदा मानते हैं ना, definitely that is true. If you really believe God and believe universe from bottom of your heart, you can achieve anything. But you have to truly believe. All I did is I took a break for my work. I did not do anything. I was just sitting, reading books, writing stories, writing books. And I was on voice stress for 3 months. All I used to do is take this sort of a book and paper. I used to write and show them. All my words, the conversations with everybody were only in writings. I was not talking. 3 full months complete rest. And then I got through like somehow with this. Then the next thing hit hard. Some of a bit for no reasons. It's like say some doctors say it's post-COVID vaccination effect. Some doctors say not sure why I got it, but I'm in treatment. And again, I'm all right. I'm continuing my journey. So this big struggle, this big hit, big struggle stopped my dream for the next 10 months. So as such, my dream was getting delayed due to my other issues. I came to Chennai again 1.5 years. I had been to 10 hospitals, met 24 doctors. Now I have come to a point, decided that no matter what, I'll just keep self-care and keep doing my work. Nothing will happen. So everything is all right. So imagine a person at this stage came to hometown, pursuing their dreams, impacting thousands of lives, starting my own entrepreneurship, teaching students one side need, teaching students life skills. How many of you have faced so much difficulty and they said, Ki, Arey yaar, why me? Answer my question. How many of you have asked this question to yourself? Why me? All of us. जब अच्छा होते हैं ना जिंदगी में हम कभी नहीं पूछते कि why me. बट कुछ भी हालत में जब बुरा होते हैं ना immediately we ask God why me. अरे मेरे को ही क्यों ऐसा आते ऐसा नहीं है सबको ये आते everybody today my struggles are different tomorrow your struggles will be different yesterday somebody else's struggle is something else but there is a point where everybody struggles everybody overcome challenges what distinguished from a normal person to a champion simple the ordinary person is distinguished from an extraordinary person only with his resilience with his or her attitude positive mindset and no matter what I will be all right think always positive चाहे कुछ भी हो this is first take home which I wanted to tell all of you चाहे कुछ भी हो decide take this as a choice that you are doing it you have to do it yes if yes give me a thumbs up or raise your hands will you all take this oath चाहे कुछ भी हो I will do this I will achieve this I will always have a positive mindset even if your mindset is bad even if something big happened, even if health is down, even if some of the family members are struggling, even if the ambience is not good, even if you're financially struggling, physically struggling, emotionally struggling, you don't have a support. Just stay calm, take a deep breath, and all is just talk to yourself that all is well. I'm 100% sure that things would do miracle. So who is the voice here? Who is the voice here? None of the outsiders. None of the outsiders. People can only talk to you. People can only support you. And people can only say you can do it. It's your own inner voice. Because the outside voice could also be a noise. Some might say, yes, you can do it. Some might say, no, you can't do it. It's your life. Ultimately, it's you who have to decide you can do it. So how many of you are going to listen to your voice alone from today? Please raise your hands. कितने लोग हैं इधर सिर्फ मैं मेरी मुझ पर मुझे भरोसा है कि मैं हासिल कर पाऊंगी yes thank you so much so what you see here is the power of courage over fear that's what we spoke till now so I'm just skipping this slide what I'm trying to tell here is कुछ भी fear हो just get rid of it ये जो fear है ना this is the biggest enemy इंसान हमारी enemy नहीं है you know our mindset हम बोलते हैं ना कि ये करने को हमको अच्छा नहीं लग रही है लोग क्या बोलेंगे this fear of failure fear of people fear of money fear of surroundings fear of everything and sometimes fear of unknown पता नहीं क्या लेकिन मेरे को डर लगता है कितने लोग ऐसा है कारण ही नहीं है लेकिन मेरे को डर लगता है raise your hands I don't know what but I feel yes बहुत सारे even I have been in such place पता नहीं क्या कि मेरे को डर लगता है अरे मैं ये कर पाऊंगी क्या क्यों अरे पता नहीं यार मेरे को डर लगता है बहुत डर लगता है क्या कारण ही पता है so have cultivate that positivity of courage over fear को बिल्कुल ही हटा दो और हम courage को पाएंगे what is a champion's mindset this is a very age old thing Winston Churchill ने कहा कि success is not fatal failure is not fatal yes it is a courage to continue that counts so success doesn't last longer failure is not fatal but it's a courage it's a typo error it's a courage to continue that counts so how many of us have shown up how many of us have actually shown up what is a defeat can somebody answer me in the chat box or unmute yourself ki when somebody we say someone ki ye हार गए इनका defeat है What do you think is a defeat? You can unmute yourself or you can type it in the chat box. I will very well read it. ये defeat क्या होता है? हारना क्या है? According to you, हारना क्या है? Anybody can answer. Unmute yourself. Not trying again. Very true. That's what I was trying to. Thank you, Kanvi. Yes. हारना क्या होता है? हारना ये होता है कि it's not that winning or losing is not a defeat. If you're not trying, that's a defeat. Let me bring in a small boxing story over here. Boxing सब देखते हैं ना? Yeah, new lesson in life. हम सब boxing देखते हैं ना? Boxing में how a person is called that he is defeated in boxing? You know, 10 times he falls, but he gets up. He again fights with courage. Yeah, it's not that when you don't, it's not that when you don't get up, it's about like when you give up. Even the opponent puts you down 10 times, the 11th time he gets up with courage, with belief, with willpower, and with perseverance, and he wins. All this happens in movies, but that's true. That is a fact of life. But हम क्या करते? एक बार फेलियर, 2 बार फेलियर, 3 बार फेलियर, अरे यार ये हमारा बस की बात नहीं है, छोड़ दो, हम दूसरे काम कर लेते. So the core pillars of championship thinking is purpose over comfort. जैसे मैं पहले ही बोली थी कि कंफर्ट जोन से आप बाहर आना चाहिए. You know, unless and until you're all in that comfort zone, कि कुछ नहीं होते. जब हम कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आएंगे ना, तो हमको सब कुछ मिलेंगे. So this is very important. Success, championship, कुछ कर पाना चाहते तो कंफर्ट जोन से नहीं होते. It's not that easy. You have to grow every single day. Every small step speaks. So identify what is your purpose. What's the purpose of your life? Why am I here? What do you want to achieve? और उसका कारण क्या है? So the purpose over comfort is very important. And process. As I told you कि आप क्या करते हो? That is not important. Consistently हम करते हैं क्या? The process is important. Perfection खुद ही आते. The habit. Every day we keep doing something. Say for example, I want to learn English, but I'm not able to speak. Every day 10 minutes I keep speaking English. I'm conversing with somebody. I'm learning English every day 10 minutes. Don't you think in 1 year you will be a fluent English speaker? If yes, raise your hands or give me a thumbs up. है? सिर्फ 10 मिनट. सिर्फ 10 मिनट. लेकिन रोज. सिर्फ 10 मिनट रोज मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहती हूँ और कंसिस्टेंटली मैं सीख रही हूँ. पता नहीं मेरे को कभी इंग्लिश आते, लेकिन मैं तो 10 मिनट हर रोज सीखती हूँ. In 1 year, that person is called a champion. That person will fluently speak English. So it's not about the perfection, it's about the process. Keep doing it and believe over circumstance. कुछ भी हो, believe. And there's a very important book called Mindset. I don't know how many of you know it. How many of you have read this book or heard this book, Mindset? Hey, there's a book called Mindset. In that, Carol Dweck says 3 things. Very, very important key point. He says, dedicated effort, strategic practice, learning from feedback are very important. I'm more curious to talk about the third point, learning from feedback. बहुत सारे टाइम हम फेल हो सकते, हम सक्सेस नहीं कर पाएंगे, अचीव नहीं कर पाते. But what we do is, we don't take that failure as stepping stones. In our life, we have to understand that more than we learning from good things, we get better by mistakes. We get better by doing mistakes. We get better from learning from the failures. और आप कौन सी भी चैंपियनशिप के पास जाके आप चैंपियंस को इंटरव्यू कर दीजिए, वो चैंपियंस यही कहेंगे कि मेरे जिंदगी में मैं इतना फेलियर्स देख लिया कि वो फेलियर्स मुझे इतना लेसन सिखाया कि टुडे आई एम हियर. It's not because of anything else. It's because I have undergone so many failures in life. So learning from the failures, getting back and standing on our leg and trying again is all what it takes. So not fixed talent. Somebody says like, inborn talent. Somebody achieves something. अरे ये तो बहुत होशियार है. We've seen people, ये तो बहुत होशियार है और ये इतना शानदार नहीं है. Have you heard that? ये ऐसा नहीं होता है. Everybody has the same brain. It's not that you're talented, so you achieve. It's not that somebody is not talented. It's about the perseverance. It's about the grit. It's about the interest. It's about how you cultivate the excellence peaks. और उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? नो टैलेंट, नो बिग नॉलेज, नो बिग इंस्टीट्यूट्स, नो फैंसी एजुकेशंस, ये सब नहीं चाहिए. हम यू हैव टू एग्री दिस. आप बोर्ड में ये पीपीटी में क्या देख रही हो, दैट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. ग्रिट. इफ यस, प्लीज गिव मी अ थम्स अप और एनी अदर इमोजी. यस. पहले चीज ये है कि हाँ, अभी वी आर गोइंग टू अटेंड दिस वर्कशॉप. दैट पैशन. क्यों अटेंड करना? अरे पता नहीं, मेरे फ्रेंड अटेंड कर रहे हैं इसलिए मैं भी अटेंड कर रही हूँ. इफ दिस इज द माइंडसेट, देन वी विल नेवर ग्रो. वी हैव टू लर्न समथिंग. वी आर टेकिंग होम समथिंग. वी हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट समथिंग. ये जो माइंडसेट है, इससे हम ऊपर आते. सो यू नो दैट पैशन, कुछ करने की इच्छा, the interest, the passion, the purpose, and perseverance. The three P कहते. Like I call it three P's. The passion that is within you, that the driving force, the fuel that is igniting your passion, the purpose of why you are doing this. When you know your why, automatically how will follow you. मुझे ये करना है, पता नहीं कैसा है. ऊपर वाले को छोड़ दो, अपने आप ही हो जाते. सब अच्छा ही होते. But you have to understand that मुझे करना ही है. So the passion, purpose and perseverance. हाँ, मैं सिर्फ बैठ के आपको बोलती हूँ कि मुझे करना है, मुझे करना है, तो कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगी. Right? That willpower, that perseverance, the action that we take. So the passion plus perseverance is all nothing but grit. And there was a very important study, again in the mindset book he discussed, the West Point study. And in grit also they have discussed. The author of grit book is Angela Duckworth. Angela Duckworth says that when there was a West Point study taking place in military, you know, in military, everybody, we feel like they are more educated, they are so knowledgeable, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, you know, and they are very strong, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. When the interview was taken, they all said, it's not the strongest, it's not the smartest, but it is the grittiest person. It is the grittiest person who finished what they wanted to achieve, which means जितना भी हमारा knowledge हो, do you agree with this? Do you all agree with this? हमारा knowledge, हमारा education, हमारा experience, इससे ज़्यादा ये होता है कि the resilience, the power to come back, the power to fight back, है ना? हम बहुत सारे इच्छा से आते हैं, लेकिन हमको you know, you're so emotional, you're not able to achieve things. बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजों में आप you know, you lose your confidence, फिर कुछ भी नहीं होती. So you have to be resilient, then it happens. So the first part I wanted to say is a very, very important take home message is the grit. The grit isn't about working hard once. It's not about working hard. It's about जितने भी बार हम फेल हो सकते, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं और लौट के आऊंगी, मैं और दौड़ के आऊंगी, मैं और उठ के आऊंगी. If you're not able to fly, then run. If you're not able to run, then walk. If you're not able to walk, at least crawl. But keep moving, keep going, keep learning. I repeat, if you're not able to fly, at least run. If you're not able to run, walk. If you're not able to walk, crawl. Keep going, keep moving, keep growing, keep learning. ये जो मेंटालिटी है, ये जो माइंडसेट है ना, दिस इज नथिंग बट ग्रिट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार, चार बार, जितने बार फेलियर्स हो. यस, एनी डाउट सो फार? If you're all glued to me, following me for the next 20 minutes, then we will wind up at 4:30. Please give me a thumbs up or any emoji. Yes? है ना? Any doubts? Please keep your doubts for the last 5 minutes. Yes? So this is very important. And now I want all of you to answer this question. Please look into this message. When was the last time you kept going after falling? You can post it in the chat box so that everybody will type. मतलब मैं हिंदी में भी बोलती हूँ, यदि किसी कुछ हुआ, आपको कुछ फेलियर हो गया, कुछ नेगेटिव हुई, लेकिन उससे you came up, you fall, you never gave up, and you raise, you kept rising every time that you fall. कितने भी फेलियर्स हो, मुझे ये पाना है, मुझे ये चाहिए, तो मैं कितनी बार भी फेल होंगी, कोई बात नहीं है. Next time again you stood up for your own vision, for your own passion. When was the last time you kept going after falling? Bullying, okay. Yes, what else? So Sabaji was bullied, but able to come up again from that. What else? कुछ एक failure ऐसा हो, please mention that. Just yesterday, yes, Kanvi, what happened yesterday? She faced some failure. She decided to be gritty and come up again. Try it next time. Yes. कुछ भी हो, एक word जिससे you were falling, फिर you were so confident, you were persistent, you were gritty, saying that कि नहीं नहीं, मैं फिर से try करूंगी और फिर से try करूंगा. Any other situation? कुछ आपका ऐसा चीज हुआ जिंदगी में? Okay. While searching for your, while selecting your field, very good. Okay. Anything, bullying, yesterday, a convince event, job, yes. कितनी बार हम अप्लाई करते हो, कितनी बार अप्लाई करते, you would have got so many qualifications, डिग्री होता है और कंपनी के ऊपर कंपनी हम अप्लाई कर करके थक हो जाते, और एंड ऑफ द डे जिसको वो मिलेंगे, who is gritty, who is perseverant, who believed in his own potential. ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ ये मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, मैं जॉब ही छोड़ती हूँ, मैं कुछ दूसरा काम करती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं था ना. Anxious about your self confidence. So were you able to come out of your anxious, जी? Were you able to come out of your anxious, फरवा जी? आप आपके anxious से बाहर आ पाए क्या? हर बार आप anxious होते हैं और उससे बाहर आ पाए? Please reply in the chat box. Okay, शादी हुई and a toxic spouse. Okay, this is yes. So there is also there. It's not that हम बहुत बार ऐसा बोलते हैं ना. Yeah, I read it right. बहुत बार ऐसा होते हैं ना कि in work, just in work we have toxic people, just in friends we have toxic people, just in family. No, toxic people is in both the genders, to be honest. Masculine toxicity भी है, feminine toxicity भी है, और it depends. लेकिन क्या होता है, अभी women empowerment के बारे में हम बहुत बोलते 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 क्या हुआ कि women इतना empower हो चुके कि men की voice ही कम हो गई. Being a woman, I really say, I'm not saying that women empowerment nahi chahiye, but in many places in the world, that women empowerment so much. But so there are issues, there are toxic spouse in both ways. Women also finds the same problem of having a toxic husband, and men also face the same problem of having a toxic wife. But it's not about that. You try to patch up, if not, you break up. But you know, the society talks big about the breakup. Yes? So you have to come out of the failure and start your life again. That is all you want. Yes. So all of you, please clap for your own self. Because yes, somebody says means I can't do it anything in my life. Yeah. ऐसा चीज होता है ना कि when anxious होते, okay, when we are anxious, when we are sad, when we are depressed कि मुझे कुछ नहीं कर पाती, ऐसा कुछ, like I'll not be able to do it. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Everybody are facing different. Grass is greener always on the other side. सो आज मेरा प्रॉब्लम ऐसा दिख रही है, आपकी प्रॉब्लम दूसरी तरफ से है, इनका प्रॉब्लम दूसरी तरफ से है, और दूसरों की प्रॉब्लम दूसरी तरफ से है. एवरीबडी आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम्स. सो हु कैन कम आउट ऑफ इट व्हेन वी हैव दैट ग्रिट? Who are champions? Let's discuss about the real life heroes and heroines. See, in front of you, I have Michael Jordan. We all know his stories. We have J.K. Rowling. We have David Goggins. All of these people, simple. They are having unstoppable mindset. They fail n number of times, n number of times, but still, क्यों हम इनके बारे में आज बोलते हो? हम इनके बारे में इसलिए बोल रही हूँ. Thank you, thank you. You will be all right. Just that, I'm just answering to these people who have given me the chat box. Whenever you feel anxious, whenever you feel you're a failure, no. Go and stand in front of the mirror, do what I just talk to yourself for 5 minutes. Say that all positive things. I believe in myself. I won't give up. I have the positive mindset. I have the growth mindset. I'm resilient. I'm coming back right now. I'm getting up. I will achieve. Keep telling these positive words of affirmations within you and see the magic that happens. So all of these champions have failed n number of times. Let's see a few more examples in detail. Elon Musk. Everybody knows Elon Musk. He says that failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not motivated enough. Yes, that is very true. जब हमारे लाइफ में जिंदगी में फेलियर ही नहीं देखते ना, we won't be the person who we are today. So let us show the gratitude for the failures that we came across. If I wouldn't failed in so many things in my life, in all holistic way, I wouldn't have been this confident today. Today I can very well say, I'm not sure when I will succeed. I'm not sure when I will achieve my dream. I'm not sure if I will be able to really, impact millions of lives today or tomorrow. But I'm sure that no matter what, एक दिन आएगा ही आएगा जब पूरी दुनिया को हम कुछ तो कुछ करेंगे. I will definitely do some good for the society, for the people, for the world. This mindset is all enough. एक साल हो, 2 साल हो, ठीक है. We will all be all right and we will proceed. Serena Williams, so many issues she faced. She had huge public criticisms. She had a lot of difficulties in her life. She had career-threatening injuries in her life and life-threatening health crisis. What not? If at all किसी को सेरेना विलियम्स लाइफ के बारे में नहीं जानते हो, please go. Rangaraju, I'll just come back to you in a few minutes after I complete and answer your questions. Serena Williams' life has been a complete devastating life. But did she not achieve in all means, in class, in race, in her life, in her career, in public criticism, to life-threatening health issues, to everything. But did she not acquire the global inspiration? Marie Curie. We all know Marie Curie, the first woman who got her Nobel Prize. Yes? Her mindset is everything. Imagine, आज technology इतना बढ़ गई कि we have so many things to achieve. At Marie Curie's point of time, there's no internet, there's no technology, there's no big libraries, there's no big information system, nothing. But she is the real testament for her unwavering dedication, resilience, perseverance. That's because she had relentless curiosity. उनकी जमाना में क्या था? कुछ भी नहीं है. But did she not receive the first Women Nobel Prize award? So that speaks the legacy of tenacity for herself. Oprah Winfrey, again, she underwent a lot of childhood traumas. Her childhood traumas are big, huge. You know, when people hear, they become so emotional. So her childhood traumas are emotional. She faced a lot of rejections in her career, but she rose. She not only rose for herself, but she rose for everyone. She rose for empowerment. She rose with that limitless mindset. Eris Zimmerman, Olympic champion. That's because of mindset. Yes, prodigy emergency, Olympic achievements, mental battles, expert evolutions. And what happened? Mental mastery. Why did the mental mastery came into it? It's all because of one simple word which you see in the screen. Mind over matter. Mindset is everything. Yes? So demonstrates that champions are made by mental strength. This shows how your mental resilience and emotional regulation plays a very important role to achieve anything. With all of these champions, what we got to know, or what is the take-home message is that simple. Now, I want you all to answer me in the chat box. 1, 2, 3, any number of take-home, minimum one takeaway message from so far. 3 takeaways. Can you all type it in the chat box? आप हिंदी में type कर सकते हो या English में, no problem. I can even read Hindi. But I want all of you to be attentive. In 30 seconds to 1 minute, any 1 or 3 takeaways. इतने देर से जब हम ये मीटिंग खत्म करके घर वापस जा रहे हैं, क्या आप लोगे आपके मन में that you will follow it? सिर्फ 1 takeaway. Any 1 take-home message or maximum 3 you can type. I'm waiting for your messages. I'm curiously waiting. आपको क्या मिला इससे? क्या आप सोच रहे हो? किस तरीका से आप जिंदगी को लेना चाहती हो? किस तरीका से आप Okay, so can we say be positive in every situation? Yes. Action without motivation is not possible. So action needs motivation. Yes. And challenge shapes you. Very good. Thank you, Kanvi. Rafia says the power of mindset. Mindset is everything. Mindset is everything. The one who can understand the positive mindset and one who can understand the growth mindset cannot be defeated by anything, anyone, ever. Be gritty. Yes. 3 P's. Yes, the 3 P's are passion, purpose, perseverance. Yes, be gritty, very true. Believe in mindset. Yes, believe yourself and believe in your mindset. Be self-motivated. Yes, that's more important. Nobody's going to push you. You know, no one else is going to push you except you, yourself. You go and talk to 10 people about your vision. You go and talk to 10 people about who you are. Everybody will say, oh, good. Somebody will sympathize. Somebody will empathize. और कुछ लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है, करो. But there are very few people who will stand beside you. और वो भी support कर सकते हैं. They cannot take your job and do it. जिन लोग ने आपके साथ खड़ा होते हैं ना, to make you achieve, वो सिर्फ support कर सकते, काम हम खुद ही करना है. So it is more important for us to understand that we have to be self-motivated, self-inspiring. We have to understand our own beliefs. Yes, try to be confident. Very true. Confidence is everything. Even if you're not confident, show that confidence in front of others. Nobody can shake you, but you will make your name there. That is more important. Nobody can shake you. Even if you stand, even if you're not confident, keep it within you. And just face the world with confidence. Nobody will sympathize you. Nobody will say, ki, Are yaar. Like that, they will say, ki, Are yaar. No, don't never show your, see, being vulnerable is good. At the same time, you have to understand कि किसके साथ you're showing off your vulnerability. किसके साथ we expose our vulnerability is more important. And somebody has said, yeah, keep putting consistent efforts. Very true. And never be afraid of failure. Very true. Thank you so much. And then Haranji says, I will never stop growing towards my goal, even it need me to crawl. Very, very great message. Thank you so much for this. Even if you're just crawling, क्योंकि crawling तो बहुत ऐसा ऐसा ही हम करते. इवन इफ यूर क्रॉलिंग चलेगा, जब तक हम चालू है, हमारा काम चालू है, हम चालू है, कोई बात नहीं है. देयर इज नो अर्जेंसी, लेकिन कीप क्रॉलिंग. दैट्स राइट. या एंड देन Shrikant says, listen to your inner voice. Very true. Listen to your own inner voice. Don't listen to the outside noises. Ignore negativity. बिल्कुल. Even in negative situations, stay positivity. Stay positive. वो negative ना हमारे जिंदगी से दौड़ के चले जाएगा. अरे बाप रे. It will start afraiding of you. They will fear you and they will just go. Ignore negativity. Stay disciplined and positive. Correct. Thank you. And Aksa says, be positive, believe on yourself. Yeah, you can do everything. Yes, believe in yourself and you can do everything. Growth is outside comfort zone. Very true. There are 4 zones in life: comfort zone, fear zone, growth zone, learning zone. जब हम comfort zone से बाहर आते, जब हम fear zone से बाहर आते, और जब हम ये mentality में आते कि हमको सीखना है, लेकिन वो growth चाहिए, and you start getting into learning phase, lifelong continuous learning phase, तब किसी ने आपकी growth को रुक नहीं पाती. So growth is outside comfort zone. Thank you so much. Or can we all clap for ourselves? I'm so proud of all of you and feel very grateful. Thank you so much. Yes. So why I asked you to clap to all of you is because we are no more ordinary people. We are no more an ordinary people. We all are extraordinary people because we know what we are. We know what to do. It's all about this. Once we are aware about our own self, and once we are aware about our mindset, we can do anything in life. कौन सी भी फील्ड हो, कुछ भी हो. And some people say, अरे ये आ गया मेरे जॉब को, क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं होंगे. If you are having that skill, if you are able to learn anything, any point of time, you can survive anywhere. So there's no harm, hard and fast rule कि अरे ये आ गया मेरे को जॉब नहीं है. Nothing like that. Yes. So what are the common threads among champions? Unwavering commitment, strategic discipline, growth mindset, and relentless courage are the common threads among the champions. And what is the power of system over goals? There's very important book, very, very important book, which is very close to my heart, called Atomic Habits. How many of you have heard about this book? Atomic Habits? Yes, written by James Clear. He says, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. So why system wins? Why system wins? System is everything. Champions don't rely on motivation, but they rely on discipline. And that he says every day small improvements, even 1% improvement is what he says. Atomic habit is nothing but the micro habits. Even the smallest habit that we have, the micro habit that we have, and we keep doing it consistently, and we fall for the system and keep the system good, keep the system powerful, then we can definitely achieve our goals. So the 3 important habits. Morning mind reset. कितने लोग, one more question, last 5 minutes and we are done. कितने लोग उठते उठते, अरे आज मुझे जाना है, स्कूल को जाना है, कॉलेज को जाना है, काम को जाना है, यार बोरिंग, ऐसे उठते हो. और कितने लोग, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सपीरियंस समथिंग न्यू, टुडे इट्स अनदर डे. और कितने लोग खुदा को थैंक्स बोल के हमारा दिन को चालू करते. वेरी फ्यू, राइट? वेरी फ्यू. द मोमेंट यू गेट अप, यू आर गेटिंग अनदर डे. कितने इंसान छोटे उम्र में मरते. वी आर अलाइव, वी शुड बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. हम उठते उठते we should be first grateful for that. And second, it's a big day for us. So all I would love to say is, 90% of the people उठते उठते यार ऐसे ही उठते, मत कीजिए. The moment you get up, have that positivity, have that refreshing mind. 5 minutes of intentional thought. कौन सा thought है? What do I want to do today? काम नहीं है. What do I wanted to do today? ये कौन सी भी काम के बारे में आप मत सोचिए. आप बिल्कुल काम के बारे में मत सोचिए. यदि हम काम के बारे में सोचेंगे तो फिर से सो जाएंगे. तो भी प्लीज काम के बारे में मत सोचिए. हम सिर्फ कुछ समथिंग वन गुड थिंग. आज मैं ये अच्छी चीज करना चाहूंगी. आज मैं ये करना चाहती हूँ. आज मैं ये चीज करना चाहती हूँ. जस्ट दैट वन थिंग. ओ माय गॉड. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
It's
I'm
all
sorry.
right.
It was this. I did not connect my laptop. Yeah. So this one thing. So before I move on to the rest of the slides, no, I would like to take the questions so I can repost my presentation. There was just only 2-3 slides left, and we are done. So meantime, by the time the slides are there, I would just ask them to ask me some questions, and with some 2-3 positive attitude and some few take home, we will complete the session. So
All right.
any
Audience, if you have any question, anything that you want to ask, because I believe the session is going extremely powerful, loving the motivation, loving the enthusiasm, and the way you are talking, the way you are telling us, and you're motivating us. So I think let's just take some questions. All right,
Yes.
Kanvi has asked a question. Please, if you would like to read it.
Yeah, please. I'm just switching on my. Kanvi, yeah. Can, okay, let
She
me
has,
read. You want me to read the question? Yeah, please read
yeah,
it.
yeah. All right. What made you resilient in your situation?
What?
What made you resilient
What
in your
made me? Yes.
situation?
Thank you, Kanvi. Yes. So thank you, Kanvi. As I told you, after facing so many failures, actually, three things I would like to tell here. The honest three things which made me become resilient in my life is first is the passion which I had. So when the something which I wanted to do something which I love. So, they say, right, you love what you do or do what you love. So, when I was in the university, I was working for master students. When I had my PhD, I was not happy about the ambience because I was not able to inspire and motivate, uplift, and empower so many people. So, that's one thing which I decided that I have to do something. So, that purpose purpose of my life I understood is that purpose is not this job, the purpose is not my growth, the purpose is not getting publications, the purpose is not achieving something, but that's all beyond. My purpose is this inner satisfaction. My purpose is the inner fulfillment that आज मैं इतने लोग को कुछ कर पाई, आज मैं इतने लोग को कुछ empower कर पाई. So this is one thing. Second thing which kept me resilient is my passion. I would combine purpose and passion. Why I wanted to combine purpose and passion is very simple. Because जब हमारे जिंदगी में कुछ पर्पस है एंड इफ यू आर नॉट पैशनेट अबाउट इट, ऐसा होता है कि फेलियर्स में हम गिर जाते हैं. जब हमारे जिंदगी में पर्पस है and we are also passionate about it. Passion, which I can also in other words say, the driving force, the catalyst in you. The passion is your driving force. Passion is the catalyst. Passion is the fuel which is pulling you. Like जैसे हमको पेट्रोल चाहिए वैसे passion is the fuel. So purpose is first thing, passion is the driving force, and third thing is very important, which I realized is very very important. For me, it's I wanted to leave a legacy behind. When I die tomorrow, generations after generations, people should feel not because they should praise me, but they should feel कि हाँ इसने कुछ अच्छा करके गए. That will, that thought. So all of this put together, जितने भी failures हो, ये तो हमको पता है कि we are here to do this, no matter what. So this is what is driving me till today, and there's a lot more to go. I'm sure things would take. Thank you, Tanvi. Thanks a lot. Yes, I could see some other questions also here. We're joining back. Is there any, one second, I'm just joining back in my.
We can't hear you.
Am I audible now?
Yes, now you are audible.
Yeah, thank you. I would read the questions myself now. Thank you so much. So I couldn't see the questions. Can somebody read the rest of the questions too? Because I just rejoined, no, so the questions vanished. Any other questions after Kanvi? I rejoined from my laptop to see the questions. Yeah, so Shrikant is asking a question, right?
Yes.
So, ma'am,
Yes.
how can we differentiate between being mentally strong and emotionally suppressing ourselves? Yes, thank you so much, Shrikant. This is a very, it's a beautiful question. Let me first understand the two terms. See, whenever we wanted to differentiate two things, what I do for myself is I try and distinguish both of these. Like I try and understand both the words separately. The first word, let us try and understand the first word, which is mentally strong. What is meant by being mentally strong? Very simple. No matter what happens in life, you will not fall. Let me tell you one thing, Shrikant. This is not a part of the topic, so I did not talk about it, but today I would like to talk about that. One very simple thing is let it go. How many of you have heard that? Let it go. I have two things in my life. I follow two things. I keep telling to myself. Number one, everything happens for a reason. Whatever be it. This is not a spiritual belief, this is not emotional belief, but this is a fact. Everything happens for a reason in life. This is first thing which I keep telling myself. If you get something good, everything happens for a reason. If you don't get something, then it's also good. Something better is waiting for you. If things are delaying, then yes, there is again a reason for it. Yes. So for me, everything happens for a reason. And the second very important thing which I wanted to talk is this too shall pass. How many of you believe in this? This too shall pass. Yes, most of us, this too shall pass. Why do we say this? And what is the reason behind it? बहुत सारे चीजों हैं जो हमको मिलना है वो मिलते हैं, जो नहीं मिलना है नहीं मिलता. But how do we distinguish that? How do we know what is happening, what is not happening? So the first thing is everything happens for a reason. Second thing is this too shall pass. And third, which I wanted to tell is let it go. Most of the time what happens is, यदि मान लो कि we need something, हमको कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, हमको कुछ पाना चाहते हैं, and we're not able to achieve it. We drown totally. We get frowned, we drown. And हम ऐसा कहते कि अरे यार ये ऐसा नहीं है. And we get into sad mode, anxiety, depression, सब आते. So when we are able to cultivate the mindset, everything happens for a reason, this too shall pass and let it go. Why let it go? ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको वो नहीं चाहिए. Something else is waiting for you. With these three things, we will be able to develop that mental stability. And the second thing which Shrikant wanted to know is and emotionally suppressing ourselves. I wanted to correct this, Shrikant. Let's not suppress our emotions at all. Let's never suppress our emotions. Emotions are very good thing. Everybody, if we are not expressing our emotions, then we will end up in stress. If we are not expressing our emotions, we will end up in anxiety. If we are not expressing our emotions, we will have a lot of, that anxiety disorders and so many health issues because mind-body connections are very much. The mirror neurons are there, the mind-body connections are more. So what I feel is never suppress your emotions. But let me tell you something. I don't know if I can show that to you. There is actually one very important four quadrants. Since lack of time, I'm not able to show this. There are four quadrants in my laptop. Okay, which says there are some emotions which are happy, some emotions which are sad, some emotions which shows you anger, and some emotions which are like in sort of boring. So there are four different types of emotions. Most of it is positive and negative. So I have this four quadrant: happy, sad, angry. Angry in the sense of all anger. Angry in yourself, angry on others, envying others, feeling bad about others, trying to bully others, all in terms of that. And boring, which means there's nothing happening but you're bored. All of us are coming across all of these. कभी हम खुश होते, कभी हम दुख होते, कभी हमको बोर लगता है, कभी हमको रेस्ट चाहिए होते, कभी हमको नींद आते, कभी हम दूसरों से गुस्सा करते. These are very common. And I would love to say all of you here is the stability, the mental stability when you get it. हम जितने भी इमोशंस में जाए, यदि हम बहुत देर से सैड हो, हम कौन से भी इमोशंस में थोड़ी देर के आगे नहीं रहेंगे. So which means इमोशंस को सप्रेस बिल्कुल नहीं करना. Never suppress your emotions. Emotions have to be expressed. Feelings are there. That's why we are human beings. Feelings to chahiye, emotions chahiye. When you get the first thing, no Shrikant, that mental stability, when you have that mental stability in you, जितने देर हम खुश रहेंगे थोड़ी देर. मान लो if you are sad for 5-10 minutes or one day, the next day you should get up and come back to happy mode or come back to working mode. So once you get that mental stability, the first part, you will never be emotionally suppressed because you have to understand that everything happens for a reason. This too shall pass, and let it go. These three things will give you the mental stability. And once we get the mental stability, automatically this stable mind will help us getting back to the normal emotions from whichever emotions you are in. So never try to suppress your emotions. Hope I answered your question. Thank you. And whenever I want to do something for myself, all I see is barriers, how I can deal with this. This is a very good question which most of us faces. Even I face this. I have this issue, honestly, madam. What it is, when I want to do something, there are a lot of barriers. Let me give you one simple thing, which I did. When I wanted to do so many things, there were a lot of barriers. What I did, I just picked one. Can you do one thing for me immediately after the meeting? Take a piece of paper. Mariam ji, take a piece of paper. Write all the things which you wanted to do. Just write. Don't justify. Don't judge it openly, blind-heartedly. Just write whatever you wanted to do. है ना बहुत सारी चीजों होंगे when I start writing I keep writing there are a lot of sticky notes and post-it available in my board keep writing don't reject don't delete don't edit do nothing keep writing one after the other all that you wanted to do all that you wanted to do and then from that distill to 5 top things which you love to do say for example you can have 30 things to do whichever is the top most 5 things that you wanted to do just take that alone and from the 5 things which you love the most, don't think about anything. Let the barrier come. Let somebody tell you you are bad. Let somebody tell you you cannot do it. Let people bully you. Let situation is bad. Kuch bhi ho. Take that one thing. And Mariam ji, I am leaving my WhatsApp number here. I want all of you. Okay. The most important thing after a lecture or after a session or after an interaction, the happiness to the person who spoke is action. Yes. Some takeaways which we have applied in our life. So I stay in India, so it's like +91 95299 51614. You will see magic. List everything. Take top 5 that you love the most. Just close your ears. Don't listen to anybody. Kuch bhi barrier ho. Even if you're in the saddest part of your life, even if your health is very bad, start doing it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes every day. Start doing it 5 minutes, 10 minutes every day. And you will see the miracle that's happening within you. You will come and tell me that, yes, I have got the miracle within me. Yes, everything is temporary. Kanvi, how can one find one's purpose again aligned with passion? That's a very good question. Purpose aligned with passion. Very simple. I'll tell you how I did it. Initially, I wanted to become a stem cell biologist. And then I wanted to become a cancer biologist. So that was my passion. I never even know the meaning of purpose when I was in my master's. So I started reading all cancer biology books. I started reading all stem cell books. And then when I keep reading, this small piece of knowledge which I got gave me the ideal that cancer and stem cell go hand in hand. It's something called cancer stem cells. So I started bridging it both. I started working in stem cells, I started working on cancer. I did fair enough. Everything was good. At that point of time, my passion was on stem cells. My passion was on cancer. So for me, at that point of time, if somebody asked you what you wanted to become, I want to become a scientist because I'm passionate. मुझे ये scientist बनना ही है. At that time, my purpose, my passion, everything was scientist. Days went on, and then I started getting interested in women health. I started researching on women health. I started researching on anti-aging. So holistically, I started developing things. At that point of time, that was my passion. Yes. Then I started talking to students. I understood that I can motivate students. I started reading more books. I started motivating students. At that point of time, I realized that more than being for myself, like, being a stem cell biologist, being a scientist, being a cancer biologist, having 42 publications, what am I doing to the society? What am I doing to the nation? What am I doing to the world? I'm doing nothing. That point of realization, I understood my purpose. So, Kanvi, all I would say is now do not confuse so much about the purpose. Keep doing what your heart says. Follow your heart blindly. People say something like, no, you have to be cautious. No. You fall, you will learn. So, right now, do not worry about the purpose. Right now, all I would suggest is Follow your heart. Go with your passion. Do not worry at all about the purpose. When you follow your path, when you get into the passion one after the other, one after the other, like how I got my realization, like how I got my self realization, my awareness, you will also, at one point of time, get that purpose in your life and catch that, and sky is your limit. That is all that you can do. Thank you, Srikant. Yes. So, any more questions? We can complete. I think I took a lot of time. But yeah, since there were questions, I took time to answer it. So,
Thank you
any
so
other
much.
questions? If not, yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Indumati. It was a pleasure having you with us. I think if anyone have any more questions, I'll be turning on the. You can send the message on the WhatsApp group, and you can ask her,
Yes,
and
yes,
she will
yes.
also share her contact number, so you can maybe
Very well.
interact with her personally. Anyway, thank you so much. On that note, we will be ending the session. We do have another episode coming up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Also, I would love to have your feedback. I think feedback is something that helps us to improve, helps us to come up with the things that you like. So I'll encourage all of you to please share your feedback on the WhatsApp group. Until then, thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you so much. Thank you once again to all of you. It's a great pleasure being here and love to see you all once again. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Afra. Thank you so much. Very kind of you. Bye, all. See